Case packing of instant coffee glass jars. Our main challenge here was to create the product batch by using an efficient and affordable in-feed system for cylindrical containers, with delicate product handling and zero breakages. To achieve this, we needed to manage the pressure of the upstream product flow. And we had to isolate the requested batch while guiding the jars at each step. Okay, challenge accepted. First, top blockers are used to control the product flow. Second, retractable guides drive the batch to the preparation table. Third, the batch is isolated from the product flow. Fourth, a transversal retractable guide secures the transfer of the batch into the case. If the upstream pressure is too high, this guide also holds the base of the jar to stop it from tipping over. Then the next batch is delivered. The wraparound blend process is divided into 4 stations: extraction and forming, case loading, case folding and sealing with short flaps to save on corrugated. Simple, efficient and affordable. Challenge solved!